Welcome to clickmyproject.com. Our project title is Preventing Attack on Voting System Using Multi-Level Password Authentication. Now we are going to discuss about our project abstract. The voting system using the multi-level password authentication. The aim of voting system providing a high-level security. It has the flexibility to allow the casting of vote from any remote places. The election is held in full confidentially by applying the appropriate security measure to allow the voter the vote for any participating candidates only if he log into the system by entering the correct password. The administrator are the only voters before election and share the voter ID to voters for logging during the election. The voter will be generate the multi-level secret pass. The voting system focus on security, privacy and secrecy issues as well as the challenge for stakeholder involvement and observation of the process. A new approach is proposed for the voting system to prevent a fake voter attacks. This is our project flow diagram. I have two options to log in of our project. One admin, another one is voter. First admin login of our project. The admin manage the voter details. It means add, edit, delete the voter details. Manage the candidate details, view the candidate for applying the election. Finally manage the election details. Next voter the password process is set the password itself. Next the voter login project by using the multi-level password authentication. The voter first the voter search the details by using the voter ID. Next the voter view the voter details. Next view the voter details and edit the voter details. Finally the election process. The election process is poll the vote. Next our project execution. This is welcome page of our project. Click start. This is login home page. I have two options to log in. One admin, another one is voter. First click the admin icon. This is admin login page. Give the username and password. This is admin home page. First click the voter. This is voter home. First add the voter. This is add voter page. First voter ID. The voter ID is auto generated. Give the voter details. Next upload. Give the voter details. Upload the photo for voter. Next submit the voter details. The voter detail is added. Next edit the voter details. The all voter details is shown in this box. Click the particular voter details. Modify the voter details. Click the update button. The voter detail is updated. Click the delete button. The voter detail is deleted. Next candidate details. This candidate details is shown in this box. The candidate details means applying election for the candidate. Next election. The election process is candidate get how many vote for election. Details is shown in this box. Logout admin. Next voter. The voter first of all set the password itself. First give the voter ID. false. The voter ID does not match in error message. Give the original voter ID. First level of authentication saved in successfully. Next, the second level is color code. Click the color code, submit. The second level of authentication is saved successfully. Next level is a image process. I have uploaded this image. Next, crop the image. The image is cropped. Next, save the image. Final level of authentication is saved. Next, login user. First of all, give the voter ID, password. First level authentication is successfully. Next, color code. Second level authentication is successfully. Finally, the image process. The multi-level authentication is corrected. Only show the voter home. If it is not corrected, the voter home is not show. The voter home is have three options. First, view the voter details and edit the voter details and the election process. First of all, view the voter details by using login ID. The voter detail is show. Next, edit the voter details. Voter, search the voter details for using the voter ID. Click the voter details. The details is show in this side. Edit the details. Click the update button. The voter detail is updated. The delete process is not allowed for the voter. Next, click the apply to election button. The voter apply the election for the candidate. This voter applying the election candidate. Back. Next, the election process. The voter give the vote for the candidate. Click the submit button. The vote is polled. Next time, the voter click the page. The page does not access. This page is only one time for use. Log out voter home. Thank you.